In primetime news this evening, more than 300 teachers resigned from public schools in just over 4 months, while the education minister says there is no need to panic. Let her keep her job. A committee rules on the matter involving a teacher caught on video threatening to harm a student. And public spat between NIA and US ambassador to Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, this evening we're talking about Paramount Jamaica, which has officially inked a deal with a local fuel marketing company. And I'll have all the details in the business day.
Okay, from Andrea we go to Karen at the sports desk. She'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Karen.
Well, Herman, it's about the ladies tonight as one Jamaican umpire is heading to the world stage again, and the local schoolgirl competition is reporting a record number of entries. I will tell you all about it later in our package.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what more can the government do to attract and retain teachers in the education system?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.